In today's video, we are going to show you how to resize an image in Milanote in just a few seconds. It's super simple and helps keep your boards clean and well organized. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and open the board that contains the image you want to resize. In my case, I'm gonna choose this board. Now, I want you to click once on the image and you'll notice a small handle appears around the edges and corners of the image. It's like a white grid border, and then at the bottom there is a corner handle that you can use, and the arrow is changing to a different icon wherein you can simply click and drag the handle inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. It's super simple, right? Now, matter of fact, you can also use the mouse properties to move the image around. If you think the image is too big, if it's too small, you can do so. Okay, so if you want to keep the image proportion steady while resizing, I want you to hold the shift button, press all the images at once. This prevents the image from stretching or warping. And of course, you can simply use again the handle inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. Once you are happy with the size, simply release the mouse. Your image will snap into place at the new size. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to resize an image in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.